Cykeo introduces a powerful RFID card issuer. Type-C interface is used for plug and play, making connections easier and faster. Now I'll show you how to use RFID card issuer to write card operation. First, we connect the device software. After the connection is successful, we will test it. We place the label above the card issuer. The card distributor has successfully read the label. Now we use software to rewrite the label name. We will click the Write EPC button to write the card operation. Click Write EPC and enter the corresponding EPC code. After writing the card, read again. EPC code has been updated. The status indicator is on. Next, we use multiple tags for identification. Place the label on the device. The device can quickly identify multiple label information. This RFID card issuer is not only small in appearance but also beautifully designed. Whether it's reading up close or recognizing at a distance, can handle it easily.